structures or helps to communicate with the compiler stating that how we can transfer the control from the order of execution apart from it. Order of execution எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? Top to bottom approach இருந்துச்சு. Line by line execution இருந்துச்சு. ஆனா இங்க என்ன ஆகும்? This control structure helps to change the order of execution. Now how this change can be takes place? This can be achieved either by two major parts. One is decision making statement, another one is looping statement. Decision making statements are the statement which helps to make a decision. According to the decision, it will transfer the control from one place to another. So say for example, after executing the void main, if my first statement is go to there, let us assume if my first statement is I am not having any instruction regarding the variable declaration or anything else, my first statement is go to A. Let us assume go to A, where the control will get transferred. There is some statement called A. The control get transferred from go to A to the statement where the A is available. அப்ப order of execution என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? Here there is no order of execution is followed. Instead, the transfer of control from first statement to the statement wherever the A is available, it was transferred. That was the power of the control structures. Is it clear? Yes. Control structure என்ன பண்ணும்? Order of execution. What is order of execution? Order of execution as far as C programming is concerned, top-down approach is followed. That too, line by line execution is processed. And the line by line execution process பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா என்ன பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னா, this control structure helps to change the order of execution. Change the order of execution. Top-down approach line by line from the top to the bottom it will execute. இதுல normal C program. But whatever in the case of a control structure, what happens is the line by line execution will be takes place after transferring the control from that particular position to the wherever the control get transferred. So go to A கொடுத்திருக்கேன். A label எங்க இருக்கோ அந்த லேபிள்ல இருந்து line by line execution will be takes place. அப்ப ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? The protocol of the C language was eradicated. What happened? We have misused the order of execution. The protocol for the order of execution in C program is line by line. இப்போ என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? That program, that order is not executed. That order is not existed. என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம்? அந்த line by line execution மாத்தி எந்த லைன்ல இருக்கு wherever the go to statement is addressed, அந்த statement வந்து line by line execution starts. That is the power of the control structure. The control structure was classified into two major classifications. One is decision making statement and another is looping statement. Decision making statement are the statement which are capable of transferring the control based on a decision. The decision making statements helps to transfer the control based on the decision. Either you go there or come here. Likewise, the decision will make after the decision making statement, the control get transferred. But what happens in looping statement is the control is going to be executed again and again until some condition is met. Until some condition is met. Loop is the different whatever you are having in audio system. It is a looping. Repeated. The statement is repeated again and again until it meets a condition. Is it? Looping statement. There are three statements which exist in the decision making statement. One is if, another one is if else, the next one is if else ladder. Whereas in looping statement we have for loop, while loop and do while loop. Looping statement enna? The statement will be executed again and again. That is in a repeated mode. The iteration process takes place until some condition is met. On a decision making statement enna பண்ணும்? The decision making statement will decide, will make a decision. After that it will transfer the control from one place to another. The decision making statement consists of three different decision making statements. One is if statement, another one is if else, and third one is if else ladder. In looping statement we have three different kinds of statement: for loop, while loop and do loop.